Good morning, vlog. So, we are currently walking down the road to head up and catch a bus to central Guatape and pick up some bikes. We're gonna go motorcycling today. It was raining this morning when we woke up, so we weren't sure if we were going to be able to ride or not, but it's looking like we are. It's looking like it was just raining this morning, same thing as yesterday. So hopefully we'll be able to ride when we get there. We're just walking down to the bus, gonna just grab the bus, and then later I think we're just gonna ride probably to San Rafael and also go check out Escobar's mansion. I think it's his mansion, it might be his prison. It's like up the road from where we're staying, only a couple miles, so we're just gonna go check it out and see if we can't get in and screw around, take some pictures, I don't know. Just check it out. So I guess we'll see you guys when we pick up the bikes later. Well, good morning, folks. We are renting motorcycles for the day for about 4 or 5 hours. Connor right here is learning how to ride right now. Rob is learning how to ride. I think he's going to eventually just switch back to a scooter just because they're a little bit easier to learn on. He just doesn't really comprehend the shifting aspect of riding. So we're just going to switch him over to a scooter, make it a little easier for him. And make it a better day for him, so he doesn't have to struggle with learning all the day. So, oh, that's not Connor. I thought that was Connor. But yeah, so we're just out here I'm teaching Connor how to learn a little bit. This jacket's getting real hot, so hopefully I can go convince Rob to throw it on. But all right, well, I'll see you guys a little bit later when we stop. These roads aren't the best, but this view, oh my God, the view out here is just absolutely insane. Rob, I don't know if you can see him, he is right back there, bada bing, bada boom. He grabbed a scooter and his mama with us. Connor just passed us. So I'm gonna let Rob get a little bit ahead and see if I can't catch up to them. Just, I don't know, have fun. This is awesome. This road would be like perfect with a 250 or 300. Keep on going, Rob. I catch up. But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys when we get to San Rafael. Peace. Okay, so we made it through San Rafael. What do you guys think? Cool little town?
Sick little town, bro.
Dope. I loved it. Whew. This is awesome. These are just little 125s, and we're gonna stop and take a piss. So piss with me. We made it through San Rafael, stopped on this bridge, took some pictures, enjoyed the view. It's just so breathtaking. Look at this. It's gorgeous. This is the view we had all morning riding in. God, I'm so glad we rented these bikes. They're just 125s, but oh, it's so fun. Whew. All right. Well, I think we're gonna stop for water in San Rafael, so let me go catch the guys. Peace.
I know. in my head when I'm doing
So we made it to San Rafael. Just chatting, grabbing a couple waters, and then we're bouncing up to Pablo Picasso's mansion in right up next to our hostel, and then to our hostel to check out and grab our bags, and then back to Guatape to hop on a bus. So I guess I'll see you guys at Picasso's mansion. See you guys there. What up? So I stopped, got the bike over there just chilling, waiting for the boys to catch up. I just went ahead and jammed on these roads. These roads are amazing. Oh my God, it's so fun. Wow. Worth every penny to rent this thing. Even though it's a 125, worth every penny. God, look at the view. This is what I get to ride and look at the entire time. It's gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm so glad I came here. This is such a beautiful experience. Oh, I can't wait to share this one with you guys. Woo! All right. Sorry, I know I said we'd see you at the Pablo Escobar mansion, but this was too beautiful not to vlog. So now I'll see you guys at the Pablo Escobar mansion. Peace! Yo, so guess where we are? You guessed it, Pablo's mansion.
La Manuela.
La Manuela. Paradise Bar. This thing's a fucking shithole. Let's go explore.
These ghosts come back and haunt me.
This is the view from Pablo's wife's house. We're gonna go down there in a second and check out the guest house / pool house. Look at this place. Got the pool house. I don't know what the hell that is, but damn, this boy had a good life. Holy shit. Wow. It's just like a seating area up here. This is incredible. Oh my God. 360-degree view. No ops coming to get him. Oh, you're going that way too? Yeah. Let's see what's down here, boys. Oh, a sick little like bar area. Oh, yeah, fuck you too. Yo, this is dope. Wow. Little, I guess that was probably a sauna or something. Shower here at one point. Damn, this is crazy. There's an old sink. Fuck, it's getting scary back here. So, update. Rob ran out of gas. Another update. We got him gas from a restaurant. So that's cool. And now we are headed back to fill the bikes up, drop them off, hop on a bus, and get out of here. Head back to the apartment, get a nice shower. God, I'm just so hot and just gross from riding. Loved it though. Amazing day. Connor, what were your thoughts?
On beat, bro. It's dope.
Dope. That's a great way to summarize this day. It was dope, for sure. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button for me. It means a lot. All right, guys. Catch you later. Rob's here.
Oh, wait, no, I need to back.